Hello everybody, this is Kenneth Elliott from BounceBikeTraining.com, and today we can look at the E-Zip Trails. Found this at Walmart. It has an electric motor on the back, which is rechargeable, as well as a quick release seat and brakes front and rear. You can change the gears if you don't want to use the engine, as well as the grip that turns to speed the bike up and slow it down. Pretty nice bike. I really thought that Walmart would have this bike, but it looks like they're coming up in their style and what they carry out here. Pretty good tires on it, pretty comfortable bike, but it is pretty heavy with all the mechanics on the back of it. I was only able to carry it with two hands. The pedals are plastic with aluminum frame. The frame is pretty heavy also. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, please leave it at the bottom. And once again, this is Kenneth Elliott from BounceBikeTraining.com. And this is the E-Zip Trails by I-Zip. I hope you have a great day. Bye now.